Hello children, good morning. How are you? I hope all are fine. In the previous class, I have given the homework. Hope everybody has completed. All of you open your book, page number 231. Today we will start with the chapter I Love My India. As we know, the name of our country is India. It lies in the continent of Asia. It is the seventh largest country in the world and the second most populated after China. Delhi is the capital of India. Many languages are spoken in our country. It has a population of more than 120 crore. Now children, all of you open the page number 232. There is one political map of India. India shares its boundaries with many countries. These countries are called neighboring countries. The neighboring countries are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Once again, the neighboring countries are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. India is surrounded by three oceans: the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Indian Ocean in the south. These are the smaller parts. These smaller parts are called states. India is divided into smaller parts called states. There are 28 states in India. Once again, there are 28 states in India. Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state. Once again, Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state in India. Some parts of India are directly under the central government. They are called union territories. How many union territories are in India? There are 9 union territories in India. Once again, there are 9 union territories in India. Okay children, now you can see the video of states and union territories.
In this video, we are going to see the states and capitals of India. There are 28 states in India. Let us see their capitals. Andhra Pradesh, capital Amaravati. Arunachal Pradesh, capital Itanagar. Assam, capital Dispur. Bihar, capital Patna. Chhattisgarh, capital Raipur. Goa, capital Panaji. Gujarat, capital Gandhinagar. Haryana, capital Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, capital Shimla. Jharkhand, capital Ranchi. Karnataka, capital Bengaluru. Kerala, capital Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, capital Bhopal. Maharashtra, capital Mumbai. Manipur, capital Impal. Meghalaya, capital Shillong. Mizoram, capital Aizawl. Nagaland, capital Kohima. Odisha, capital Bhubaneswar. Punjab, capital Chandigarh. Rajasthan, capital Jaipur. Sikkim, capital Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, capital Chennai. Telangana, capital Hyderabad. Tripura, capital Agartala. Uttar Pradesh, capital Lucknow. Uttarakhand, capital Dehradun. West Bengal, capital Kolkata. In this video, we are going to see the Union Territories and its capitals of India. There are 9 Union Territories in India. Let us see their capital. Andaman and Nicobar, capital Port Blair. Chandigarh, capital Chandigarh. Dadar and Nagar Haveli, capital Silvassa. Daman and Diu, capital Daman. Delhi, capital New Delhi, and also Delhi is our national capital. Jammu and Kashmir, capital Srinagar and Jammu. Ladakh, capital Leh. Lakshadweep, capital Kavarati. Pondicherry, capital Pondicherry, and also called as Puducherry.
You have seen the video and understood all of you? Okay, for the homework, learn all the question answers of chapter 1. Thank you.